nervous. I was nervous when I got my second job in Rochester, and I went to cover a hockey game, and the producer called me right before and he was like, "Are you good?" I was like, "I'm great." He's like, "Well, it's really packed there. You know, don't forget, like, standing room only. Make sure you remember that. Make sure you mention that." And I got on the air, and I was so nervous, and I was like, "I just have to do whatever they said." And I got on. I was like, "It is so crazy here." Even Stanley Ramone came, like, not knowing who it was. I was like, "This guy told me to say it." The show ends and he calls me. I was terrified. I was like, all you have to remember is that Stanley Ramone is there. No, who's Stanley Ramone? I'm like, I don't know. Who's Stanley Ramone? You told me to mention it. She's like, standing room only. I was like, standing room only.